The Rams big screen operators put up a crying filter over all the Broncos fans who were still left in the stadium during their 51-14 loss. But the funniest part is that after getting some pushback online, the Rams admitted that they didn't even need to use the filter.